So Vic and I met up on YouTube. See, I met him on Instagram, then YouTube. I'm the farm boss. Got the farm boss. Had this thing since 2006, 2007. I'm gonna give it to my man Vic. Vic's gonna trade me 2 pieces of silver for it. Needs a new block. It needs a new block. Vic's one of these guys that can redo an old machine. Super happy. He's going, what's up, Vic? All right, you guys gonna meet Vic. Vic's the man. What we need is a sticky, where you can have your sticky and then hit your videos.
I like that.
And then do a plug-in mic, and then you're good. Yeah, I have a mic. I gotta add mine. My last 5 videos haven't had it. I'm gonna add a mic. We're not running a mic today, but it is what it is.
Nice. Well, it's a privilege, OnSiteTrav, to have you in the cab.
It's great to have
of the Vic Mobile.
Great to have you around. We got farm
time.
boss back there. Oh, where's farm boss? Farm boss is back there. There she is.
Belt.
Probably won't even catch it, honestly.
We're on limited time. Vic's got to work. He's got to get back to his family.
Wait a second, you work?
I do work.
Keep that on the DL. They'll know you're conservative. They'll know you're conservative. Be quiet about that.
Yeah, well,
you sit at home, collect your UBI, take a lefty right there. Take a lefty right there. That's where I'm staying. Yeah, there we are. Blue car. That's where I'm chilling at.
Nice.
New York Yankees, that's a terrible team.
We should have been filming more.
That's a terrible team. Yeah, we'll do it next time.
Hey, so when I first saw the OnSiteTrav, I thought you were taller.
No, I'm not, man. I'm 5'9".
He's my height.
Yeah.
He's a brolic dude.
Nah, dude.
The beard gives him about 10 extra horsepower.
Nah, you gotta have the beard, bro.
Yeah, he's a handsome fella.
Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
But he's not gay.
I might be gay.
No, the gay thing you're talking about. These guys understand that?
No, not yet. We haven't. I haven't talked about that on YouTube.
You need to listen more.
YouTube is This is YouTube stuff. I'm way more chill on YouTube than Instagram. You guys want to follow Instagram? I'm pretty raw and uncut. Eventually, I get blocked on Instagram.
Probably.
But I got the email list.
Yeah.
So join the email list. That's in the link below.
Yeah.
And then the email list. I mean, I'm going to ship some real shit through the email list.
And I'm sending you a little card of a lot of stuff these guys should be paying attention to.
That's good.
Definitely the guys that are learning equipment and needing to learn how to run a business.
That'll be in the playbook.
The old school stuff, stay to it.
The playbook is unique. I'm gonna NFT the playbook. I'm gonna teach you about that later. We'll talk about NFT. And I'm gonna keep the playbook like some American Pie stuff.
Beautiful.
It's gonna be like a network of dudes that add to the playbook. Only a few people have access to the playbook.
Cool. And I'm still learning about the playbook.
It's gonna be cool
that he's creating here.
It's gonna be
phenomenal.
Cool. Yeah, I've been filming something for 10 years, just about 10 years, maybe 11, on everything machine and construction related.
Yeah.
Best practices, principles, if you will.
I like it.
Do you finance? Do you not finance? Do you run this? You know, all that stuff.
Can I say one thing? No, you might have seen that in my videos. People will just say guys that are starting to get out of high school, even just getting a high school diploma, get the high school diploma if you can. If you're homeschooled, get it. Get to that point.
Yep.
College, I was pushed. People pushed me on college. I went for 2 months. It was a great class. The teacher loved me. Couldn't do the class. I was failing everything.
College is over, dude. College is over. I went to college, but it's over. It's a waste of money.
Right, and my father was really upset about it, that he wasted a little bit of his money. Because my mother pressured him into it. He knew what I would do, my capabilities. But I got out of that, and then really I'm pushing a shovel. It's something very simple, a shovel. If you can have a respect for a regular shovel, that's where I came from, a shovel. Does that make sense to you?
It makes sense to me because I started with that too. But now you have machines, you have trucks,
and you build up
property. Yeah, you start getting. I mean, you got some crypto. You start to acquire your stuff.
You understand the respect for physical labor, and once you understand that, not saying you want to do that all your life, because that's why my back hurts right now. I'm like crippled today.
But also you're not doing things like, you know, you should have stretched, should have used a weight belt. You pushed something heavy.
I did something heavy. Threw something around, got a little squirrely. But the respect for the shovel is huge.
Well, that and the trades too are also like on the up. Like you come out like my cousin here. Like he just graduated yesterday, Saratoga High.
Yep.
Just graduated yesterday. He's gonna go to college, spend a bunch of money. He's gonna come out. We're gonna have this talk this afternoon. He's gonna come out like -80 after getting some scholarship money.
That's big money.
Yeah, and then if you pay like $1,000 a month on that after you get out, that's a lot of money. So you make $4 or $5 grand a month post tax. which is a lot for a 22-year-old kid to make 50, 60 grand. But let's just say he does.
New York State is like 33% or something.
Let's say he makes 80 grand.
Maybe more.
Let's say he's 22 and he makes 80 grand a year. Probably not going to happen. But let's just say he does, and he pays $1,000 a month on his student loans. It'll take him 8 to 9 years to pay off his student loans. So now he's talking we're 29, 30 years old before he is where he is. So right now, he's zero debt, 18, and he's free. He's literally free. Yesterday,
inflation is going to
he's free.
Kill his money power.
I'm kind of in the deflationary camp for a moment.
Okay.
Because it's the opposite of what everybody thinks, and then so I normally take the opposite route. There's a couple reasons why I think there's deflation. Another video on that. But what I'm saying is, we're talking about 30 years old between now and the time that he's back to being free.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You stay free. Just stay free, because if you can
start that business.
I mean, dude, he would be
business.
stacked by the time he's like his buddies are getting out of college. He'll be through the shit of a business.
Yeah.
Because the first few years kind of suck.
See, I went through that phase. I seemed like I was ahead of certain people, and then I don't know, something happened. I just slow and steady wins the race. That's my thing. It's if you've never been to heaven, you've never been to hell.
Stay paid
Or did
for
I
it.
say that backwards? I might have said that backwards.
I'd stay paid for it.
Never
as much
been to
as I can.
No, that's what it is. Yeah.
Never been to heaven, never been to hell?
I think that's what it is.
I don't know. That's a new phrase for me.
Yeah.
Comment below. Comments matter.
It's it's
comments
like,
matter. We determine that.
If you always had it easy and really easy, and you're kind of spoiled and had things very easy, you don't know really what heaven is. Did I say that right?
Yeah,
you got to go to hell. You got to go to hell before you go to heaven. It's if you have it backwards. If you got it really nice, really good, What are you laughing at?
I know what you're saying.
I'll pop this guy right here.
I know what you're saying. I know, but then I'd have to take you out, take the 7.3. You know what I mean?
Just got to get past the 9 mil that's stuffed in my pants first.
Well, you'd be out of the truck by then. I'd be gone.
I'll wrestle this son of a bitch.
I'd be gone before you had the safety off. All right, guys.
You're right.
Comment below, like and subscribe. Peace.
I like it.